बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और एक फीलिंग ये भी आ रही है कि अब सब ओवर होने वाला है।
ये नंबर वन यारी है, ये नंबर वन यारी है।
आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। इट सीम्स लाइक के हमारा ये आज लास्ट डे कॉलेज। अच्छा लग रहा है फेयरवेल और लास्ट मतलब एग्ज़ाम से पहले के लास्ट डेज हैं तो थोड़ा नॉस्टैल्जिया सा फील हो रहा है।
We get emotional and excited at the same time.
मुझे आज भी वो मोमेंट याद है कि जब हम फर्स्ट डे कॉलेज में आए थे।
A lot of people are going to be out abroad and maybe in different states. सबकी बहुत याद आने वाली है and this farewell is one thing जो सबको एक बार आखिरी बार साथ में रख रहा है. So yeah.
So the memory in BSS with all these people were so memorable that it will stay in my heart forever and ever.
J-Lo, ya tú sabes, no hay más nada.
It's a new generation
Mr. Worldwide,
of party people.
get on the floor, darling, get on. Red one.
Let me introduce you to my party people in the club.
I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the chain. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused, no, cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck. Darling.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break the sweat on the floor, yeah, we work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Pick your body up and drop it on the floor. Let the rhythm change your world on the floor. You know we're running shit tonight on the floor.
On this prestigious occasion, it is our privilege to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed dignitaries.
We welcome our visionary and inspiring principal, Dr. Reverend Father John PJ, our compassionate and dynamic vice principal, Dr. Sister Lima Jacob.
In absentia, our knowledgeable and forward-thinking Dean Academics, Father Jomi Panatis, and our diligent and ever-supportive management coordinator, Sister Rohini Jadhav.
Professor Vinay Mishra and HODs of all the departments, faculty members, and of course our dear seniors, the pride of today's celebration.
Everyone, it now gives me immense pleasure to extend a very special and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest of the day, Miss Purnima, a proud BSSS alumni whose gracious presence adds prestige and distinction to this memorable occasion.
Miss Purnima, Miss Central India 2026 and Miss Supermodel Universe 2026 is a Bharatnatyam dancer, model and psychologist representing India internationally in China this year.
It is our honor to have you here with us.
Now, we would like to welcome our judges of the day. Our first judge of the day, Mr. Mumtaz, an internationally acclaimed fashion designer from Madhya Pradesh, known for promoting traditional bark prints, khadi and tribal weaves, an award-winning designer and mentor. He has showcased his work at major fashion events and designed national costumes for prestigious beauty pageants.
Our second judge of the day, Ms. Apeksha Srivastava, former Miss India and Universal Women India winner, a proud representative of Madhya Pradesh. She serves as a brand ambassador with the Election Commission of India and City Director for Femina Miss India Madhya Pradesh. Actively empowers young women and contributes to meaningful social initiatives.
Our third judge of the day, Mrs. Ayushi Singh, Mrs. Central India Runner-Up 2024. She is a dedicated lawyer and social worker, founder of Winged Women and POSH, and a POXO trainer committed to empowering women and protecting children through awareness and emotional intelligence.
Sir, ma'am, we don't welcome our guests with bouquets or saplings. Instead, we contribute the equivalent amount to Devara, a noble initiative that reflects our institution's commitment commitment to compassion and social responsibility.
Since 2018, this noble initiative at AIIMS Bhopal has been providing fresh daily breakfast to patients, attendants and those in need, spreading warmth and compassion with every meal. It is now our great honor to invite a visionary leader, a mentor and a constant source of motivation for all of us.
Our respected principal, Dr. Reverend Father John PJ, to address the gathering and bless us with his words of wisdom.
Our chief guest, and I feel proud to invite you, Purnima, being an alumnus of our college here. She is a 2021 pass out. I was just inquiring about her tenure here. They are specially written as BA Psychology, and I think Dr. Vinay, you feel proud of it. Mr. Mumtaz Khan, I don't have to introduce him. He's such a wonderful person, so obliging, and so much a part of our college. He attends programs from time to time, whenever we invite him. Thank you for obliging, because you are not an easy person to get on board, but then we manage to get him to our college. Thank you. And Ms. Apeksha, thank you so much for making it today to be here judging our contestants. Really great. And Ms. Ayushi Singh, thank you. We feel proud. You must have seen their expertise when they were displayed on the board. Dear students, did anyone shed tears? Not yet, Anna. Before you leave, you must. Because this institution has done so much for you, as you have also contributed towards the growth of this BSSS college. When we think about farewell, I have three things to remember. One, of course, is the gratitude that comes out. Second, the good and bad memories, mostly pleasant. Third, we plan out and a future that is optimistic, that will create life for you in the time to come. Gratitude, I feel grateful to you all, because you have been such a wonderful batch, setting example to your juniors. Creative thinking and constructive criticisms, done well. You will also someday come as chief guest, I believe, to your alma mater, to witness and also to make us feel proud, not maybe in the same capacity as Miss Central India, but as an entrepreneur or I would say happy man, a happy woman. Enough. Life is made. And you too, students, you must also feel grateful to your college, your school that you have studied in and made your life and shaped your life. Not just made, shaped into what you are today. You are not the same as you stepped into this campus 3 years back, 5 years back, 7 years back. You have shaped your life, your career. Be grateful. Memories, good and bad, sometimes little disappointing, but mostly enthralling. You will feel yourself high, greatly placed, good feelings, lot of pattings, lot many programs, competitions, what not being there, everything for the holistic development. So you also must feel feel grateful to this institute and also carry good memories. Good memories. Even the worst was or will be for the best. We believe in that. Of course, you have to dream high. I'm very happy. From this batch, we have already placed 300 plus students into various areas of their life. And many of them sustain, persevere. Is it anything less? It's a major achievement to you and to the institute. All because you have been excelling. And your future ahead, I am sure there will be of great making in different fields, different areas. Some could be entrepreneurs, some could be employees, some could be officers, some could be aristocrats, some of you could be diplomats, and a few valued politicians. Why not? So be optimistic about your future. Carry good memories. Make yourself a sensible and responsible citizen of our mother nation. The country will feel proud of you, and through you, the country will feel proud of BSSS. Thank you. It's not the day for preaching and teaching. It's already been done in classrooms. But to wish you all every success. Every success. May your life be fruitful, meaningful, successful, the way you make it. Once again, our guests, thank you so much for obliging, for being with us this morning and in the afternoon. And also all of you students, thank you for making it. God bless all of you. Jai Hind.
Agyanati mirandhasya jnananjan shalakaya chakshurun militam yen tasmai Shri Guruve Namah.
This beautiful shlok reminds us that a guru removed the darkness of ignorance and opened our eyes to knowledge and truth.
And in doing so, they don't just educate us, they transform the way we think, act and live.
In ancient times, Guru Dakshina was never about material value. It was an expression of respect, gratitude and unbreakable bond between a guru and a shishya.
With immense respect, we now invite the Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Lima Jacob, in absentia, Dean Academics, Father Jomi Panathis, Sister Rohini Jadhav, Coordinator, Dr. Smita Pillai, Head, Department of Management, and the Student President of all clubs, who have led with dedication, responsibility, and passion. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Good morning, respected Father Principal, Dr. P.J. John, respected dignitaries, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Prashansa, President of the Management Club, stand here today on behalf of the entire outgoing batch to express our heartfelt gratitude. Father, we are truly thankful to all the facilities you have provided us throughout our journey. From creating a safe and supportive environment to ensuring that we had access to the best resources, you have always worked for the growth and well-being of every student. We are especially grateful for the countless opportunities you gave us, be it academics, co-curricular activities, leadership roles, or events that helps us grow, not just as students, but as confident individuals. Your constant efforts towards providing placement opportunities have given us a strong start to our careers. Father, your guidance, discipline, and encouragement have been a strong pillar in our college life. As we step into a new chapter of our lives, we carry with us the values and lessons you have instilled in us. Thank you for believing in us.
And now, we are honored to have an incredible panel with us. So let's welcome them with a big, energetic and a huge round of applause. applause. Our chief guest, Ms. Purnima, Miss Central India 2026 and Miss Supermodel Universe 2026, soon representing India internationally, a dancer, model, psychologist, truly a symbol of beauty with purpose. Our first judge, Mr. Mumtaz Khan, an internationally acclaimed fashion designer known for promoting Madhya Pradesh's rich textiles and culture on global platforms. Next, Ms. Apeksha Srivastava, former Miss India and Universe, Women India winner, a mentor, leader empowering young women. And our final judge, Ms. Ayushi Singh, a lawyer, social worker and founder of Winged Women, working towards women empowerment and awareness. Let's give them a huge round of applause. And dear seniors, तालियों की कमी कहीं नहीं रहनी चाहिए. We request all our ramp walk participants to kindly get ready. it's time to bring style, confidence, and attitude towards the stage. Presenting Mr. and Miss Farewell Round 1 Bramburg.
Confidence level unmatched.
Elegance meets attitude.
He's not just on the ramp, he is ruling it. Walk like a king and own like a legend. Come on audience, let's hear it. Put your hands together for amazing ramp walk performers. Conference is the best outfit, and they are wearing it perfectly. What style, what an attitude. This is life. This is what effortless beauty looks like. walk so much smooth, it feels like a poetry in motion. Ladies, is it just me or did the temperature just rise? Wow, that's energy. The runway just came alive. क्या बात है ऑडियंस, थोड़ी जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Turning the runway into a power zone. कॉन्फिडेंस हो तो ऐसा हो दोस्तों। रैम सचमुच में शाइन कर रहा है दोस्तों। Give it up for that incredible boss energy, loud, clear and unstoppable. Entry हो तो ऐसे हो जो सबको याद ही रह जाए। That's royalty right there. This isn't just fashion, it's performance. What a swag! क्या बात है, नजर ही नहीं हट रही है लोगों की। दोस्तों ऐसा लग रहा है रैंप पे एनर्जी नेक्स्ट लेवल आ चुकी है। That's not a walk, that's a statement. Not just a walk, this is an arrival. ये हुई ना क्लासी और कॉन्फिडेंट वॉक दोस्तों, and here came confidence in motion. A walk to remember. And दोस्तों इसी को कहते हैं रियल स्टेज प्रेजेंस। तो ऑडियंस जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इन सब के लिए। just like that, the spotlight finds its Arnold Schwarzenegger. This is not just an entry. This is a movement. क्या बात है दोस्तों, what an absolute शानदार walk. स्वैग भी है दोस्तों और स्टाइल भी. What a perfect combo. आज का कंपटीशन बहुत स्ट्रांग है क्योंकि सब के सब गुच्ची वाले लग रहे हैं. Grace, confidence और style, सब कुछ perfect align है इनका. Wow guys, आते ही इन्होंने vibe change कर दिया है पूरा का पूरा. Stylish and effortlessly confident. इतनी अमेजिंग वॉक के लिए तालियां तो बनती है ना दोस्तों. ये हुई ना बिल्कुल स्टार वाली एंट्री. क्या तो वॉक है, and that's what we call a showstopper moment.
What a work, guys! तालियों की कमी रहनी नहीं चाहिए. एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजा दें.
Such elegance, such grace. Spotlight तो officially इनके नाम है.
Guys, please have a huge round of applause for everyone.
Wow, क्या तो confidence है. This shows power, gentlemen. भैया अपने आपको पुष्पा बुलाते, पुष्पा. What a graceful and elegant walk. This is, gentlemen, what we call a ramp walk. Such elegance, such beauty, such confidence. सारे boys walking with power, with confidence. Pure white check pass हो रहा है guys. दोस्तों क्या एलिगेंस से चला है, मेरे को धुआं दिख रहा है, शायद से आग लग गई है. Feel that energy, that's what we call stage presence. Keep it going guys. This ramp walk is impressive from the start to the end, bringing fire to the runway step by step. This is not fashion, this is a vibe. What an elegance, what grace! This is where real beauty shines, dosto.
Let's give a huge round of applause to all our amazing participants. You all are already our winners for the confidence, style and the courage you showed today.
Today isn't just a goodbye, it's a celebration. एक ऐसी जर्नी जो अटेंडेंस के शॉर्टेज से शुरुआत हुई थी और फेयरवेल के स्पॉटलाइट तक पहुंच गई दोस्तों.
फ्रॉम भाई प्रॉक्सी लगा दे यार टू भाई प्लेसमेंट लग गई. सीनियर्स यू आर ट्रूली अपग्रेडेड योर वर्जन.
अगर कॉलेज लाइफ में आपका एक सिलेबस होता तो आप उनमें सब में डिस्टिंक्शन से पास होते. सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक लास्ट मिनट सीसी सबमिशन, फेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करना, कैंटीन के मेन्यू डिबेट्स और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इमोशनल बॉन्डिंग भी.
Today, we are not just juniors. We are people who learn confidence from you, love because of you, and grew because of you.
शिवम, अगर कॉलेज लाइफ को एक फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करना होगा तो कैसे करेगा?
Attendance?
नहीं.
CC assignments?
नहीं यार.
Then?
Dance. क्योंकि just like college, it's not perfect, but full of energy, mistakes, expressions, and unforgettable moments.
Ladies and gentlemen, ready हो जाइए कि नेक्स्ट लेवल परफॉर्मेंस के लिए बिकॉज ऑफ स्टेज पे आने वाला एक ऐसा ग्रुप जो सिर्फ डांस नहीं करता, वाइब क्रिएट करता है.
बिल्कुल शिवम, और सबसे खास बात है कि दिस इज एन ऑल गर्ल्स हिप हॉप ग्रुप. मतलब पावर, स्टाइल, एलिगेंस सब कुछ एक साथ देखने को मिलेगा.
ये सिर्फ डांस परफॉर्मेंस नहीं होगी, ये कॉन्फिडेंस का स्टेटमेंट होगा. इनका स्वैग आपको यहाँ से फील होने वाला है.
तो सीनियर्स, डोंट जस्ट वॉच इट, feel it.
Put your hands together for amazing dance performance.
The girls like to party like the bad ones. Now, shawty, let me bag some. The girls like to party like the bad ones. Now, shawty, let me bag some. The girls
वाओ, क्या ही तो परफॉर्मेंस थी यार। इनकी एनर्जी स्टेज से ऑडियंस तक फील हो रही थी।
एब्सोल्युटली शानदार। हर मूव इतना शार्प, इतना सिंक्रोनाइज्ड और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन पॉइंट।
सो ऑडियंस एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए जानदार, शानदार और मजेदार परफॉर्मेंस के लिए। सो सीनियर्स, फर्स्ट ईयर में मुझे आपको देख के लगता था यार इनका कॉन्फिडेंस तो नेक्स्ट लेवल ही है। And that turned absolute fearless.
What beauty, what elegance.
Walk with style, living good in style.
The power he walks.
What an elegant walk.
What a walk. Such grace, such beauty.
Okay, someone just stole the show.
This is the confidence that everyone needs in their life.
Not just walking, ruling the runway.
Oh my God, what a style.
Grace that speak without saying a word. This is not just fashion, this is a vibe. Bringing fire to the runway step by step.
Such grace, such power.
Feel that energy, that's what we call stage presence.
This is the true power of a PSS lab.
A warning, confidence level dangerously high. What a pose! कपड़े पहने हुए मिस्टर आर्नोल्ड.
What a confidence, bhaiya. And
Not
now,
here to compete, here to dominate. Elegance that doesn't need an introduction.
literally setting the ramp on fire. Such beauty.
Ending in strong, just like start.
What a grace.
Wow, the energy this afternoon has been absolutely amazing. I mean, I'm really enjoying this. What about you?
Same here. And honestly, it feels like spring has truly come alive on the stage, full of color, joy, and beautiful performances.
And we hope you all are enjoying it as much as we are.
Because we are not done yet. In fact, with every performance, we are getting close to the most exciting part of this afternoon.
Exactly. Just one step away from the grand finale. And I think the excitement is only building up.
But before that, we have another wonderful performance lined up for you.
And trust me, this one is going to add even more charm and more energy to this beautiful spring afternoon.
So let's keep this amazing energy going on.
And welcome our next performers with a huge round of applause.
to the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple plaques, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, go and bet, ayy, go and bet,
Let's give them a huge round of applause, audience. And now, moving ahead, we have a question and answers round for our participants.
And for that, I would like to invite Dr. Amir Mehboob sir on stage.
Please
Give them
welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Thank you very much, students. So finally we have the finalists here, and I would request our esteemed panel of judges to start the question and answer round. So to begin with, I request Apeksha to ask a question to a contestant number 30.
Good afternoon. I know you're happy, you're excited, so the nervousness is fine. Let me first tell you, you look beautiful in this sari. Thank you so much, ma'am. The color suits you very well and you're carrying it very gracefully. Thank you, ma'am. It means a lot. Thank you. So my question to you is based on fabric only. If you, instead of a human being, was a fabric, which fabric would you choose and why?
Ma'am, I would definitely choose silk, as it's as elegant and flowy and traditional and ancient as our history is. So I would prefer silk.
So you're a fluid person and you can blend according to the environment. Very well, thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Moving to our contestant number 56. Mumtaz, you may ask your question, please.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
As all of you know, I am a fashion designer, and you are the one who is wearing a very nice design and carrying it so well. I would like to ask you some question which is different about your student life. As you have spent a couple of years in the college and you are stepping out from the college today, what 3 things would you tell your juniors not to do in college to go ahead?
Well, I suggested few things yesterday itself to my juniors. Is that, well, we have discipline so strict here, so follow the rules. Don't get indulged in such activities where you'll be dragged by the guards. So first thing, follow the discipline. Next thing, be close to the teachers. Don't disrespect them. They have the education and the respect that they carry. So first, don't disrespect them. Third,
thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Number 8, over to Ayushi.
Hello. You look really pretty in this beautiful sari, and especially in this style, it goes with it. So tell me, you are wearing a very different kind of sari. So does it describe your personality?
I think so. I use my flower as a prop. And my sari is chiffon. It is kind of flowy, and I think it defines me almost entirely because I like to blend into all the things that are possible. That in my college life I have done almost everything, like dance, singing, everything I have tried and done it. So I think it is entirely discovery. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 41, over to Coach Happy again. Right.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You have a beautiful face. Why don't you smile often?
Ma'am, actually, from childhood, my natural expression like...
With the attitude.
Yes.
So the question is, what you think will give you an instant connection to the audience, or to your future employer, or to your future boyfriend, or to your future husband? The attitude you carry, or the genuine smile that lies inside you?
The genuine smile.
So can I see that? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mumtaz sir will ask a question to you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon to you, contestant number 1. As you are stepping out from the college, you have good experience with teachers and students. I would like to ask you, students of today's time, they should have relations with teacher like a teacher, or they should be a friend?
Sir, I would say that it's important to be very connected to teachers, but it is also important that you should maintain a respectful boundary for them, because at the end of the day they are very much senior than us. And I truly appreciate that if we being friends with them while maintaining the respectful boundaries. And it is very important for each and every student who is studying and who will be studying there to have a genuine relation with your teacher, but be in your respectful boundaries. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Contestant number 50, over to Ayushi.
Hello.
Hi.
I really like your sari, that black one.
Thank you
Also,
so much.
I found you very confident. So tell me, what is confidence for you?
Confident for me is like whatever you are wearing, you should not be conscious, you should always be confident. भले अंदर से आप कितना भी conscious feel कर रहे हो, but you have to show the world कि you are confident. So for me, confidence is this.
So are you like confident enough?
I am sometimes, but in rare cases I am not.
So
Thank you.
Over to Preksha for number 45.
Hello gentlemen, good afternoon. I really like the chocolate color that you have.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Very intriguing. And I must congratulate the boys today. You've completely overshadowed the females.
Thank you, ma'am.
On the ramp especially. So girls need to buck up for the next season. Which part of India are you from? Number 45.
I'm from Bhopal only.
Bhopal only?
Yes.
You do carry the exotic look of the south as well.
Yes.
So I'd like to know who is your favorite actor from the south, अगर आपने dub movies देखी हैं, और किससे आप ज़्यादा associate करते हो?
Ma'am, Rajnikant.
Okay. और reason?
He suits very well. Like his walk and his standard of saying like, so yeah.
Perfect. So I wish you all the best, and I hope you take his basic attitude, which is to grow from the ground roots and reach the level where he is. Yet he treats everybody equal. So keep that in mind, you'll go a very long way.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Chest number 22, over to Mumtaz.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Communication and appearance. What according to you is more important? Communication or appearance? Appearance, the outer look, the dress and all. What is more important in your life?
Sir, in my POV, first when person meets you, he sees your personality from outside. And he see how you are dressed up and how you are looking. But when you meet that person, when you talk, the communication play a key role in describing yourself, because your look cannot describes you, your personality and your behavior. But when you talk, when you communicate, the confidence you carry in your voice will be reflecting on your personality.
Thank you so much. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ayushi. Can we have question for chest number 29?
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
So, did you like your college life here?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. So, just describe your college life if you have to describe it in one word.
In one word.
Yes. Just one word.
Karan Johar wala college.
Karan Johar wala college. Why?
Because BSS बाहर से like देखने में लगता है कि बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट माहौल है, बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाते हैं, बट इन रियल लाइफ यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी एक्टिविटीज़ होती है जहाँ पे लोग हर स्पेसिफिकली टैलेंट में मॉडलिंग देख रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे भी जाके काफ़ी आगे तक जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल मैम जो बैठे हुए हैं अभी, एंड ऑल्सो स्पोर्ट्स में भी काफ़ी अच्छे खेल के और जाते हैं, तो दैट्स इट.
Okay. Thank you.
Last but not the least, number 12. उल्टा लगा रही थी वैसे करो. Apeksha, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you feeling today standing as the finalist of Sayonara 2026?
To be honest, ma'am, it's a roller coaster of emotions. As this is my first time, I am doing a ramp walk, so it is a roller coaster of emotions for me.
All right. In the fashion industry, earlier, I think Mumtaz sir will agree with me, your body stats played a very important role. But then there were some very courageous people who came on social media and otherwise and changed the dynamics of body statistics. I'd like to know your point of view. If there's a category specifically for plus size, should we have a separate category for plus size, or should we include them in the normal category of fashion? What is your say?
As per my thinking, I feel like still there is a lot of exclusivity when it comes to plus size men. I have seen that women are still, what we can say, included in the plus size category right now. But there are a lot of exclusivity towards the males. So I feel that the male audience should be catered more over having the plus size inclusivity.
Wonderful. I like the answer, and I hope a lot of people, especially the designers, hear the same. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. You were outstanding. Please follow her. Follow. Keep following. As Sujal said, आप लोग तालियां बजा सकते हैं सभी के लिए. आप सभी के लिए. You all are very special today. It's your day. Enjoy the day.
Give it up for our shortlisted participants, everybody. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Yes, sir.
इस बात की. With a huge round of applause, let us invite our grand finale performers.
मेरी फिर तेरी जो मर्जी मेरी हर दुश्मन
hesitation never helps. How could this mean anything, anything else? When all I dream of is yours, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me it's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, that I don't know very much, but I think they call this love.
रोमियो ने मस्ती में पीछे की बस्ती में कल जो कबूतर उड़ाया, उड़ के मुंडेरों से कच्चे बनेरों से जूलियट की छतरी पे आया। रोमियो ने मस्ती में पीछे की बस्ती में कल जो कबूतर उड़ाया, उड़ के मुंडेरों से कच्चे बनेरों से जूलियट की छतरी पे आया। चांदी का छल्ला लाया है बल्ला, दिल का बना के निशान। नीचे पान की दुकान, ऊपर झूली का मकान, बच के आना मेरी जान, दादा पता नहीं यारे। नीचे पान की दुकान, ऊपर झूली का मकान, बच के आना मेरी जान, दादा पता नहीं यार। नीचे पान की दुकान, ऊपर झूली का मकान, बच के आना मेरी जान, दादा पता नहीं यार। नीचे पान की दुकान, ऊपर झूली का मकान, बच के आना मेरी जान।
Absolutely mesmerizing. That wasn't just a dance performance, that was a full Bollywood experience on stage.
And I'm sure, seniors, that this experience made you tap your feet without realizing it too. So please again give them a huge round of applause. And now it's time to move forward to one of the most cherished celebration and occasion of the day, that is the awarding of the titles by departments.
To delve into the tradition and confer the award titles by the departments, I would like to request our chief guest, Ms. Purnima, Principal Reverend Dr. Father John PJ, Vice Principal Dr. Sister Lima Jacob, Sister Rohini to come on the stage.
First we have Miss Nikita Ahuja from BCom 8th semester as Miss Eloquent.
Next we have Miss Satvika Ghote, BCom 8th semester as Miss Dynamic.
Audience, we request you to keep clapping and appreciate these people. Next we have Mohit Kumar Ram from BCom 6th semester as Mr. Tech Virtuoso.
have Miss Harshita Gaur, M.Com first year program as Miss Helping Scholar.
Thank you very much. This was the Department of Commerce. Now we move to the Department of Management. So we request Professor Smita Pillai to join us on stage.
For the Management Department, first we have Anushri Acharya, BBA 6th Sem as Miss Discipline.
Next we have Bobby Aji from BBA 6th semester as Mr. Regular.
Next we have Tanvi Chaturvedi, BBA 6th semester as Beacon of Sincerity.
Next we have Ayushman Sharma from BA Management as the dancing star in absentia. So we request the President of Management Club to receive his award.
This was the Department of Management. Now we move forward to the Department of English. I request Dr. Supriya to come on the stage. For the Department of English, first we have Miss Scholastica Eka, BA 6th semester as Excellence with Humility.
Second, we have Aryan Jain from MA English as the crossover intellectual.
This was English Department. Now we move forward to the Department of Science. I request Dr. Vandana Yadav to come on the stage. For the Department of Science, we have first Miss Sania Ali, BSc as the ever reliable star. Sania Ali, BSc as the ever reliable star.
Thank you very much. This was the Science Department. Now we move on to the Department of Humanities. So we request Dr. Ranjit Kaur to kindly join us on stage.
For the Department of Humanities, first we have Ankur Yadav, BA as the Athletic Smartian.
Then we have Shailendra Singh from BA as Mr. Luminary.
This was the Department of Humanities. Now we move forward to the Department of Physical Education. I request Dr. Vishal Singh Singh sir to come on the stage. For the Department of Physical Education, we have Mohit Pawar, BPES as Mr. Humble Stallion.
Thank you, Ranjit ma'am. Thank you very much. This was the Department of Physical Education. Now we move to the Department of Social Work. So we request Dr. Rutvik Gandhe to join us on stage.
For the Department of Social Work, we have Aditya Singh, BSW as Mr. Obedient.
Thank you very much. This was the Department of Social Work. Now we move to the Department of Computer Application. So we request Dr. Swati Sharma to join us on stage.
For the Department of Computer Application, we have Muskan Raghwani, BCA as the Digital Rockstar.
Thank you very much. Now we move to the Department of Psychology. So I request Lavish Panjwani to come as he is termed as Mind Architect. After this, we have the Department of Economics. So I request Dr. Jyoti Mathur to join us on stage.
For the Department of Economics, we have Miss Umra Asad, BA Economics as Miss Charismatic. Miss Umra Asad as Miss Charismatic.
Then we have Mr. Rishabh Gautam from MA Economics as Mr. Remarkable. Moving on, next we have the Department of Education, so we request Dr. Damandeep Kaur to join us on stage.
For the Department of Education, we have Mary Blanche Kujur, B.Ed, as the graceful trailblazer.
After Department of Education, we have the Cultural Committee, so we request Ms. Divya to join us on stage.
For the Cultural Committee, we have Miss Priyanshi Singh, BCA, as the star performer of PSSS Cultural. Priyanshi Singh as the star performer of PSSS Cultural.
Next we have Spartans, so we request Manju ma'am to kindly join us on stage.
For Spartans, we have Mr. Ashwin Ajit, BBA, as the torch bearer of PSSS Spartans. Ashwin Ajit as the torch bearer of PSSS Spartans.
Next we have NCC, so we request Nasir sir to kindly join us on stage.
For NCC, we have Raj Raghuvanshi, BCom Computer Application, as the best NCC cadet. We have the best NCC cadet.
Next we have Harsh Kujur from BPES as Wheels of Glory, the best cyclist.
Next, we have Yana Lalwani, BBA, as the spirit of adventure.
Please give all of them a huge round of applause. Thank you very much, dignitaries. We request you to kindly stay on the stage because now we move to the most exciting and to the most awaited part of the day, that is the crowning of the farewell titles.
The early bird is from BCom Computers. They've always been punctual. Practical subject, you know. Palak Patida. Yes. Palak, congratulations to you. Your David has always been first to come, first serve. Simple principle. She has really been punctual and the first one to have arrived for this function today. So we have a face in the crowd, Aryan Singh. Aryan Singh from BA Political Science. Congratulations to you. You are looking smart, my dear boy. You will be exceptional, wonderful. The red rose tells a lot. We have a female face, all of you have. Shreya Pandey from BCom FT. Shreya, aren't you here? Shreya Pandey. We have to pick up another face, I think. We'll have to pick up another face. Okay. Doesn't matter. You can call him or her out from. If some of your friends are here, you can call her out. There is a special prize today before I announce Mr. and Miss. That is special confidence. A lot of confidence one walked. And that is chest number 30. Who is that? Yes. Please come. She was the first interviewed among the 10, top 10. Congratulations to you. What's your name? Come up and say. You only know your chest number now. 30. Please come. What's your name?
Tanisha Budhwani.
Tanisha, wonderfully presented. It's a special confidence prize that you have won for today's Ram Walk. Congratulations to you. Very well done. God bless. She is Shreya Pandey. Please come. Shreya was sitting on top. Please come. You both stand. Let us take a photo. Both the faces, male and female faces. We will have it for record for today's program. Mr. Farewell is chest number 22. Boy, you deserve it. You are so fluent with your language and so elegant in your dressing. Wonderful. Please come. Well done. Mr. Farewell, what is your name?
Sir, Shubh Gohar. Shubh Gohar.
And he is Mr. Farewell. You are so very fluent with your language and logical in your expressions. Wonderful. Well done. And we have also Miss. So meanwhile, I would like to also congratulate this department, Dr. Smita Pillai and the entire team of management with students. Very well done. Boys and girls, please give a big, big round of applause. Put your hands together. Little louder. Miss Farewell 2026 is chest number 41. 41. Hey, your inner smile really worked. Your inner smile really worked, my dear girl. What's your name? Ishika. Ishika. Big round of applause before she's crowned 2026 Miss Farewell. Ishika, well done. Your answer, your dressing, amazing. Wonderful. Very well done. She's been crowned, adorned with her sash. It looks pretty good. Wonderful. Please receive also the trophy. Miss. She's been crowned. Please give a big round of applause. I'm sorry, Mr. did not have a crown. Yes, take that. Ma'am, please take this also. Ishita, please take the trophy as well. So many prizes to collect. She has only 2 hands, but lot many more prizes. Wonderful. Please come. So we have a group photo with the winners and then we proceed for the next photo. There will be a ram walk after this. Big round of applause, boys and girls. Very good. I would request also the chief guest to take a walk with them. Please do come.
Requesting all our guests, the chief guest, the panel of judges, and all the teachers of Department of Management who have worked hard to please go and accept the applause from the students. So
Another round of applause will serve. Wonderful. She is Miss Purnima, Miss Central India 2026. Happy to have you here, Miss Purnima, our alumnus.
Apeksha, requesting our panel of judges also to please take the ramp. So here is Apeksha Srivastava for all of you with our proud winners of BSSS. Can we hear a round of applause for them? Truly outstanding BSSSites, always rock. Ayushi. Request father, sister and fashion designer please, and give a huge round of applause for our mentors. Father. Recently Mumtaz had a rocking show at the Indore Fashion Week. Thank you very much. Would like to listen something from our guest, 2 words. Mumtaz, Apeksha, something.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is an absolute honor to stand on this stage. I have a lot of memories right off this stage, from dancing to performing, and I would like to thank Father Principal for leading a place where we not only learn about discipline but also kindness. I would like to thank our teachers for being the wind beneath our wings. I would like to thank Vinay sir, Vibha ma'am and Prableen ma'am for always believing in my potential and my dreams. And now to the Gen Z powerhouse sitting in front of me, I know that you are navigating the world full of trends, algorithms and reels. And here's some advice from my end which you might not find on your FYP. Never compare yourself. Never compare your behind the scene with someone else's reel highlight. Never compare your day 1 with someone else's day 100. Always remember that you are the main character of your own story. Take risks, speak up for what's right, and always believe in your dreams. Because if you can dream it, you can definitely accomplish it. BSSS has given you the hardware. Now it's up to you to code your future. Make us proud. Thank you so much.
I request Reverend Father Principal to please present a token of gratitude to Apeksha. Thank you very much, ma'am, for taking out time from your busy schedule. Truly an honor. Thank you very much. I request Father Principal to present a memento to Mr. Mumtaz Khan. Thank you, gentlemen, for taking out time. I request Sister Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Lima Jacob, to please present a memento to Ayushi Singh. Finally, I would request Father Principal to please present a token of gratitude and appreciation to our chief guest for the day. जोरदार तालियां बजाने यार इनके लिए. Thank you very much. So proud of our BSS students. 3 cheers for BSS. Happy. Yes. अपेक्षा मुझे इशारा कर रही है. She wants to say something. Okay.
बहुत ब्रीफली आपसे बात करूंगी. अभी चीफ गेस्ट ने बोला फ्रॉम वन डे टू डे 1. जब आप इस कॉलेज में आए होगे तो हमेशा ये बोला एक दिन मैं ये करूंगा या ये करूंगी. सो फ्रॉम वन डे टू डे 1 begins the moment you leave the auditorium today. You will never know how amazing your story can end if you keep reading the same chapter. So this chapter ends here today, and you will embark on a new one. Build a beautiful story. Do PhD in whatever takes you ahead. For me, PhD is your passion, your honesty and your discipline. ये तीनों चीज़ें अपने पास रखो और यहाँ से अपनी उड़ान हो. Thank you very much, Father John, for being evergreen. I would personally ask him how he maintains himself like this, because I think 3 years back I was here for a freshers party and today I'm here for a farewell. And I would think this FARE to become FAIR. You've all fared very well till now. And I'm 100% sure, under the guidance, mentorship, and the dedication of the faculty here, you will further fare well. Thank you very much. Sayonara 2026.
Thank you very much, dignitaries. Mumtaz, आप भी 2 शब्द कहिए.
Dosha, thank you so much for inviting me here. Thank you so much. It's really always a pleasure to be here in BSS and meeting all the teachers from since last so many years. And I really आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आप मुझे यहाँ पर बुलाया. Thank you so much.
I'm just humming a song.
Wait, hold on. We're actors, right? ये हमारी expertise नहीं है. But we do have a group who makes it look like they were literally born for this.
Exactly. There are performers and then there is BSSS Rhythm.
A name that this college already knows and honestly already loves.
It connects, it energizes, and sometimes it takes over the entire atmosphere.
And the best part, they don't perform for the audience, they perform with the audience.
So now, get ready to experience something live, something real with BSSS Rhythm.
Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
क्या बोला? ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा। क्या सुना आपने साथ में? किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा। मुझे हीरे से मतलब क्या, मेरा तो यार है हीरा। यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया, यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया। 100 बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, 1000 बार शुक्रिया, मिलियन बार शुक्रिया। तुम जैसे साथियों का सहारा है दोस्तों, तुम जैसे साथियों का सहारा है दोस्तों। ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मरा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मरा है दोस्तों। यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया, यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया। 100 बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, मिलियन बार शुक्रिया, 1000 बार शुक्रिया। 1 मिनट तो मैं चाहता हूँ आप गाएं। तुम जैसे साथियों का सहारा है दोस्तों, तुम ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मरा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मरा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मरा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मरा है दोस्तों। थैंक यू।
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आवाज नहीं आ रही यार? इतने सारे गाने हो गए तो मैंने सोचा कि थोड़ा रो लेते हैं यार जाते जाते। रोना नहीं चाहिए वैसे तो, पर रोना ज़रूरी है। कौन कब कहाँ मिले कहाँ नहीं मिले, कुछ लम्हे होते हैं जो याद रहते हैं, कुछ लम्हे होते हैं जो भूल जाते हैं इंसान। तो इस मोमेंट को, जो भी 3 साल की आपकी लाइफ स्टाइल थी, जो भी था, इसे एक बार फिर याद करते हैं। तो दिस फॉर यू गाइस। Yeah.
Bhavya and Arohi. Good afternoon, everyone. As we come to the end of this beautiful farewell, I feel honored to propose the vote of thanks. It all started a week prior to today, when this event was just an idea. And today, it has turned into such a wonderful celebration. I would like to thank our respected principal, Dr. Father John PJ, Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Lima Jacob, Dean Academics, Father Jomi Panathas in absentia, Sister Rohini, Coordinator, Management Wing, HOD, Smita Pillai Ma'am, and all the teachers of the Management Department for their constant support and guidance. I would also like to sincerely thank our Chief Guest, Ms. Poonima, and our jury members, Ms. Apeksha Srivastav, Mr. Mumtaz Khan, and Ms. Ayushi Singh for being part of this event. A big thank you to all the student coordinators and student volunteers, BSSSIS, and all the staff members who worked tirelessly behind the scenes and made this event possible. As it is rightly said, gratitude turns what we have into enough. And today truly reflected teamwork, effort, and unity. And finally, to our seniors, thank you for all the memories and the moments. You will truly be missed, and we wish you all the very best from our side.